Welcome. If you value your privacy but still want to stay updated on Telegram, this quick guide will show you how to enable pop-up notifications only when your screen is on for private chats. It's a simple setting, but it makes a big difference in keeping your messages discreet. Let's get started first. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control everything from appearance to notifications. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section gives you full control over how and when Telegram alerts you. Now, look for Private Chats and tap on it. This is where you can customize notifications specifically for one-on-one conversations. Scroll until you find Pop-up Notification and tap on it. You'll see several options that control when pop-up alerts appear on your screen. Here's the important step. Choose Only when screen on. This ensures that pop-up notifications will only appear when you're actively using your phone. If your screen is off or locked, no pop-up will show, helping protect your private messages from being seen by others. And that's it. You've successfully made your Telegram notifications more private without turning them off completely. This small adjustment is perfect if you often receive sensitive messages or simply want more control over when notifications appear. Give it a try and enjoy a more secure messaging experience on Telegram.